Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Bobbi and I do beauty things. Everything I do is cost-effective beauty things, and if you want to see some more of the pictures, some more of me, maybe some of my personal life, go ahead and follow me right here. And if you're just so curious, the link is in the description box below. So guys, okay, also, if you are new here, don't forget to go ahead and go down below and click the subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it, and it's for free. So let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. Okay, this tutorial is on this single eyeshadow that my good friend Aileen from A Merch Beauty, I'll link her channel down below. So my stuff's in the description box, Aileen's stuff in the description box. Go ahead and check that description box out, guys. So she gifted me this eyeshadow because she's just so kind like that, and I'm so happy that she did. I mean, look how beautiful this eyeshadow is. Guys, I'm so obsessed with this. So let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. I would like to say a really huge thank you to Aileen from sorry, A Merch Beauty. Thank you so much for sending me this Dose of Colors eyeshadow. I showed you guys the box and the name really quickly because the shadow that Aileen sent me, actually it came broken, pretty sure. Yeah, so like I was saying in like a couple videos ago, the UPS man, the Amazon people, FedEx guy, none of them care about you and your package. They just don't care. But I am going to teach you how to get a really cute look with this eyeshadow, and this is the only eyeshadow that I'm going to be using, I think, so far. On my struggle eye, I kind of like the direction this is going. But let's go ahead and figure some more things out together, guys. Like, you know, as a you know, little family here, we gotta MacGyver some stuff. So let's see. So I really like how this turned out so far, so I'm just gonna do the same thing over here. So I have the e.l.f. Khol Eyeliner. The best thing about this e.l.f. Khol Eyeliner is that it has its own sharpener as the lid. Has come in clutch so many times. You guys don't even know it has. So I'm basically going to make a smaller than this wing because we're gonna blend it up. So basically I'm going to just draw a little wing, kind of mapping out where I would want it, and then just kind of drawing in, filling in the lines, kind of like that. So just putting that everywhere. And then I have a dual-ended Sonia Kashuk brush that is dense blending brush and like an all-over shadow lid kind of brush. So I'm going to take the dense part and I'm just going to blend out the edges just slightly. You know, I don't want to make any of the color payoff go away, but I do want to get it more blended out, make more of a gradient edge. So even though it's broken, the eyeshadow still works just as great. So I am going to be taking the other flat end, and it's, as you can see, it's full of product. So just swiping this on there, and you guys, hold on, I'm gonna zoom you in. Zoom. Okay. So, can you see how pretty this eyeshadow is? So, this eyeshadow found a home with me because Aileen was doing a boxy, I think it was a BoxyCharm unboxing. And she just did not like it. She swatched it one time and she was like, I don't like it. And I'm always commenting on Aileen's videos and I'm like, oh, that's so pretty. So I just like told her that that's so pretty. She inboxed me on Instagram and she was like, do you want it? And I was like, yeah, I do. She's like, send me your address. And I was like, okay, you don't have to ask me twice. So long story short, she sent it to me and I'm so grateful and very, very happy that she sent it to me because I just think this is, you know, the bee's knees over here. Oh, okay, like we have to take it back to the 50s because this is just so cute to me. I am like obsessed with this eyelid shade. The color is beautiful. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand so you guys can see like what it is more true to color. So this is the shade Jackpot right here. You see how it has, it's like a black based gold glitter. It's so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna do that thing where I put the Makeup Revolution baking oil on the back of my hand and then use a brush to clean up the edges. I haven't done that like on camera in a long time, so I'm just gonna like slightly below, you know, my lash line. So like here's my waterline, there's my upper lash line. I'm gonna take it from like my lower lash line all the way up. Okay, and the wonderful thing about that is now that I've done that, I mean, if you don't want to be so messy or if you have nails or something, you can get a Q-tip and then just roll the stuff off, but I don't care, so I just grab my finger and like, and it adds a little bit of extra moisture, and I don't think it impedes any other colors from going down right there. So there's a little technique if you just want to get product off. So I'm going to do the same thing with this side because I want it to be sharp. I actually have never been a fan. I tried it one time and I was like, no thank you, of putting the tape on my face. Okay, so at this point I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup. We're gonna speed through it really quick because a lot of it is stuff that you guys have already seen me do and don't need to see me do millions of times. Okay, so for any of the products that I just used on my face, if you're just curious or whatever, I am going to start trying to be way better at linking things in the description box below. Right now we're going to use the NYX Shimmer Eye Pencil, and this is in the shade Green Shimmer. So it's this color, and it's also this color right here. I was thinking about maybe doing a gold because they have a gold one that I have as well, but I was like, nah. So I think I want to do the little foxy eye with this. So I'm going to take the L'Oreal Super Slim eyeliner and just make a cute, like, quick little sharp guy in the inner corners. Oh my goodness, how embarrassing. I have an eye crusty and it made me mess up. Okay, so I'm kind of like at a weird spot with this makeup look because I like it, but I'm not in love with it. You know what I'm saying? So I think I'm gonna take this Ofra 35E and just this flesh tone color, and this is like a NYX like contour powder basically, and I'm gonna take it up here. And just, I don't know, my brow bone looks really bare, so I was like, maybe that's it. So this is the Ofra and Nikkie Tutorials highlight, in case anybody might be curious as to what I'm using on my brow bone before I even do my eyebrows, because I'm weird like that. And I think that's pretty sufficient right there. Very sparkly, very cute. Okay, so I'm not trying to take too much because this is pretty pigmented, and it pulls a little bit pinky, a little bit beige, you know, like a beigey pink kind of highlight, which is kind of why you saw me like tap right here, because it was clashing too much with my concealer. So I was just like toning it down in that area a little bit because it was making me look a little too closed off. So I think that's good. I'm gonna run through my eyebrows really quickly. Okay, now I'm going to just curl my lashes and put on some mascara. Okay guys, so this is my tutorial on this super cute Dose of Colors single eyeshadow look. The shade Jackpot is amazingly gorgeous, and if you can get eyeshadow, a Dose of Colors, I would try it. Like, this is so perfect for the night, a night out, anything like that. So